I will continue to champion our advocacies in promoting an open, inclusive, and rules-based international order, and for the peaceful resolution of disputes in accordance with international law. I will also highlight the Philippines' commitment to rules-based multilateral trading system, a vital compass as we navigate today's complex geo-economic challenges. During these summits, we will also welcome Timor-Leste as the newest member of ASEAN. Further, Malaysia will be turning over the ASEAN chairship to the Philippines, marking the symbolic beginning of our term as chair. As always, our participation in the ASEAN Summit reaffirms our dedication to deepening regional cooperation and to advancing the well-being of every Filipino in the entire Southeast Asian community.